it's got to be more flexible than it's a pipeline to experience.
I'm helping them understand that. Like I said, I think there's going to be some learning curves right now. And then, like again, ultimately, they own the company, right? And that means supporting the cause.
Environmental
I give my expertise. The bread and butter is obviously the boot camp style education, secondary education, allowing them to have that, let's call it secondary education that kind of propels them to the workforce.
That's right.
So we have an experiment.
They're trying to take it.
It would be great. I think take one of your...
It makes sense. Like every other company in the world, they feel this is the path. But what I'm trying to do is discover it right now. I want to tell them within the next.
That is great. I'm happy to see you here.
I've done enough due diligence. I've talked to enough.
Well, when things need to happen, happen.
This is
So how's everything going?
very long process that may not be worth the investment.
Very good. I'm very happy to be here with my team. I have new software engineers.
We want short-term results in terms of revenue.
A lot of support from management.
Look at all the people.
But what you're trying to
They like what I get.
that's a long term. This is a 9 to 12 month sales cycle.
Yeah, our digital twin now, we are
Personally, what
connected
I'm
with
seeing and hearing,
physical systems and IoT.
especially if you're going to be
Now,
trying
for
to
example,
go
if I
through
go
what
to
they're
Renegade
pushing
with
is
you,
like these government
I see
grants.
the buses in real
government
time,
grant gives out
and
a
I know
grant
how many
within 2-3
passengers in
weeks.
real time.
Exactly.
Do you have cameras inside the buses?
Yes, that integration, Javier did it.
All right, Javier.
Sir?
All right, nice to meet
Javier is
you.
one of our new software engineers.
Nice to
I've been
meet
rushing it to say, world-renowned scientist.
Nice.
He
It's a
worked with
pleasure,
us.
sir. I think you pick up the only bus that he has been stuck there from yesterday. Let me find something.
We are connecting data from sensors, connecting data from all the enterprise systems like the trees. So if you click on any tree, you know what it is.
What about cameras? You don't manage the cameras?
The cameras are here, but remember, we cannot. We have smart poles. We have CCTV cameras. All that data we analyze in this platform called Global Analytics AI. Yes, we can predict down vehicle, and now we are working on a model with FAU to detect people are throwing garbage.
But it cannot talk about.
No, I just tell you that. Well, that is a good pilot that we have
So
done.
it makes a call to the police if there's fire. It detects the fire. Did you see what happened in the bus? That the guy was killing now they got that on the news.
Yes, I knew.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm hoping, like I said, the other one, they take it to the right. So who's in driving? Basically, here's what I learned. Choose which path you want to go. I think right now they
This guy killed the other guy.
but I'm like, this endeavor is
Something that I like that you mentioned, for people with disabilities, for blind people, if you can interpret the video, because today we're doing it with a picture. The picture you interpret the camera with AI and you tell us. What about the video? I like what you said. We can have, because we have video in the cities. If we could have an AI to interpret the video for you.
But not for just blind people, the police to know if there's an emergency. Like the camera can detect shooting, because we're shooting in the special mode. Remember when they were shooting?
We have that. We have one-shot detection.
But it cannot take the outbound call.
No,
The AI can take
it doesn't do that.
an outbound calls and text out to the police and to the fire. They're shooting in Miracle Mile on the car.
Like I said, I know these are.
That is a perfect research pilot
Yeah, that's right. I think
for the
it's
students to develop an AI agent that can read video, interpret the video, and create an automated alert.
Yeah, you'll be the only one who does it. It can handle inbound and outbound calls.
This is the research pitch collaboration with Dr. Javi. I think it's excellent. Having the students and him to work with us in the lab on an AI system that will interpret any video. It can be a video from a camera, or it can be a video that is produced.
What's your name again? Steve?
I'll be in touch.
And it will interpret the video and it will automatically send alerts based on any behavior or things that is happening in the video. We are doing it today with FAU, the people throwing garbage. But they say so we have a public safety situation.
Yes, because when you throw garbage, when you throw the garbage, you have to look at it.
It's garbage.
Yeah, and this thing will call you and talk to you. I wanted you to try to call 800 ChatGPT just so that you understand what I'm talking about. I know with my accent it's hard. When I say caller, you don't know what the hell I was talking about. I think you may have to have a one in front.
Well, no, it's a
No?
cell phone.
Okay, so 800 ChatGPT. ChatGPT. And make it loud. The volume. Turn the volume. Oh, it's in your ear. Make it louder because I want it to hear. So you'll be talking to ChatGPT. Tell her to ask her about Coral Gables.
Tell me about Coral Gables.
The IT. Information technology.
It's reading off the website. That's cool. That's cool.
So
Yes.
what we're doing is we're doing custom. The only difference that we're doing different than this is we're using local phone numbers. The reason being that it will be free, unlike a toll-free number, the city will have to pay for the toll-free. But more importantly, we can use it for words. 800 is hard to translate to a word, but in this case, whiz, like a wizard, an AI wizard, is whiz, you know?
No, I know. So if you type whiz on the phone, you get an area code.
That's right. Also, we are doing the reverse engineering on Google. And so if you type this string on Google, it will come out number one on all the searches.
So whiz is 949.
That's right. If you go to Google and type the word with more biz, just this string on Google, in the search engine. With more biz, B-I-Z, and enter. See number one worldwide with every website. We're number one. You click on it, and you get the examples of what is a vanity number. Everything that I explained to you. And the students, this is a project that the students did on the WizMore.biz. The domain name is WizMore.biz. So, and now we have US Man Web. Man stands for monitoring. Yeah, my accent.
I hear you.
What the hell I'm saying? You're just like 99% of the population. I go in the food here and expect to they cannot even understand when I say USA. Anyways, the idea is to monitor when cameras are taking silent videos to interpret in real time. There is another application that is called Pixie. Don't worry about the spelling. I know that you won't be able to.
It's all right. It's all right. We'll figure it out.
Pixie Bot. The thing about it that is important, it's an AI that interprets videos in real time for the blind. So they take their phone and whatever they shoot a video, and while they're shooting the video, it tells them what in real time. And the AI caller can act on it, and you can tell it in advance when there is a fire in this area. Call this mailing list, which is our fire department, and immediately cameras and people can subscribe to it and upload it to their cameras, like businesses that have cameras that can handle apps. And they can upload it.
You're saying the camera can subscribe to the service?
Some cameras have memory and the ability to use apps.
To take that data.
Yes, like for example in our classroom at UF, the cameras can host, they have a server in the camera
Sure, okay, I
that
get
can
you.
host
Right.
students.
Endpoint, yeah. process.
can host students in the camera. It's like a web server in the camera, and we were broadcasting our classes, and some of the students were hosted by the camera from various countries when they couldn't come to the U.S. because of Trump. Remember last time that Trump made
I
embargo?
prefer not to.
No, but you remember that they declared embargo about Muslim countries? So they went on vacation.
Couldn't come back.
So they were sitting in Afghanistan or somewhere like that, and they couldn't finish the semester.
Calling down drone strikes.
Yeah, and now he's making it even worse. I think you'll have much more of it. Did you see how they arrested some Arab woman in the street and they took her back?
She wasn't even Arab, she was Turkish.
They didn't know, they didn't care. She wrote some article about the Hamas from years ago.
I know. So, we have no shortage of stupidity.
Yeah, right. Anyway,
We could export it if we needed to.
yeah, I think so.
All right, so the class is ongoing. How do we
Yeah,
start?
the
How do we
class
do
is
this?
ongoing until the summer, and we will tell them, and they all do a project like that. They get and everything is free for them for the duration of the class. Also for the AI, they get 1,000 tokens for free to test it. So each one of them is making an application like this.
So for
with
Raimundo's note there about the chat GPT or whatever, the caller on our website.
They check the caller, but the caller on your website cannot talk. The problem is that some people, when they drive, they want to talk, they cannot look at the website while they're driving, for example.
Sure.
They're not blind, but they see something illegal happening, and they know that it is not good when somebody leaves a bag and intentionally walks away.
Call Wiz.
Yeah, and you
report a
can
crime.
call your phone or your computer, call Wizmobiz,
Yeah,
and tell the AI,
I want to report.
I want to report, this is my, and you can include the global positioning code so they know exactly where you are. And I see a person that is lighting a fire in the street. Have you heard about street, what do they call it? Street stages? Okay, street stages is in